Welcome to our roundup of the best cameras for photography. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, shooting portraits, or building your professional portfolio, having the right camera can completely transform your results. We've carefully selected top-performing cameras that deliver exceptional image quality, fast autofocus, and advanced features to suit both beginners and experienced photographers. From compact mirrorless models to powerful full-frame systems, these cameras are built to handle different styles and lighting conditions with ease. We'll break down each model's key specs like sensor quality, resolution, low light performance, and shooting speed to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. The first on the list is the Sony ZV-1F vlog camera. The Sony ZV-1F is designed specifically for content creators who prioritize simplicity and high-quality video. It comes equipped with a 20.1 megapixel sensor, ultra-wide 20mm lens, and eye autofocus technology, making it ideal for vlogging, live streaming, and social media content. This camera focuses on making professional-looking content accessible without complicated settings. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for handheld vlogging, allowing you to fit more into the frame even when holding the camera at arm's length. This makes it easier to capture yourself along with your surroundings, whether you're filming indoors or outdoors. Sony's fast and accurate autofocus system locks onto faces and eyes quickly, keeping you sharp and in focus even when you move around. One of the most convenient features is the product showcase mode, which shifts focus smoothly from your face to an object you hold up to the lens. This is especially useful for tech reviews, makeup tutorials, or product demonstrations. The built-in directional microphone captures clear audio, and a windscreen helps reduce outdoor noise for cleaner recordings. The fully articulating screen flips out to the side, allowing you to monitor yourself while filming. It also supports vertical video recording, which is ideal for platforms that favor portrait orientation. Lightweight and compact, the ZV-1F fits easily into a small bag, making it a reliable companion for creators on the move. Overall, the Sony ZV-1F vlog camera is a fantastic option for beginners and aspiring creators who want a compact, easy-to-use camera that produces professional-looking video without extra gear. Next up is the Panasonic Lumix ZS-99. The Panasonic Lumix ZS-99 is built for travelers and content creators who want powerful zoom and strong image quality in a pocket-friendly body. Featuring a 20.3 megapixel MOS sensor, 30x optical zoom lens, and 4K video recording, this camera delivers a well-rounded performance for both photos and videos. The large sensor ensures detailed images with natural colors, while the impressive zoom range allows you to capture everything from wide landscapes to distant subjects without changing lenses. One of the standout features of the ZS-99 is its versatile zoom lens. Overall, the Panasonic Lumix ZS-99 offers a strong combination of zoom versatility, image quality, and video performance, making it an excellent choice for travelers and everyday photographers who want big capability in a small package. Next is the Canon Camera's US point-and-shoot digital camera. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 360HS stands out as a simple and reliable compact camera for everyday photography. Featuring a 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor, 12x optical zoom lens, and built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, this model focuses on ease of use and portability. It's ideal for users who want better image quality than a smartphone without dealing with complex controls. The 12x optical zoom allows you to get closer to your subject without sacrificing detail. Whether you're capturing school events, vacations, or casual family gatherings, the zoom range provides enough flexibility for most situations. The image stabilization system helps reduce camera shake, resulting in sharper photos even in lower light conditions. Its slim and lightweight design makes it extremely pocketable. You can carry it effortlessly in a purse or small bag, making it perfect for spontaneous photography. The camera's automatic shooting modes intelligently adjust settings based on the scene, so you can focus on capturing the moment instead of worrying about technical details. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allow quick sharing to compatible devices. You can transfer photos instantly to your phone and upload them to social media within minutes. The camera also supports full high-definition video recording, ensuring your memories are preserved in clear detail. Overall, the Canon camera's US point-and-shoot digital camera is an affordable, easy-to-use option for beginners and families who want a dedicated camera for capturing everyday memories. Next is the Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera. The Sony RX107 is a powerhouse in a small body. It features a 20.1 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, real-time tracking autofocus, and 20 frames per second continuous shooting, making it one of the most advanced compact cameras available. Designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand performance without bulk, this camera delivers exceptional speed and image quality. The stacked sensor enables fast data processing, resulting in minimal rolling shutter and impressive dynamic range. This means sharper images, better color accuracy, and excellent low-light performance. The versatile zoom lens equivalent to 24 to 200 millimeters, the RX107 covers wide-angle to telephoto perspectives. This flexibility makes it suitable for travel, portraits, street photography, and even action shots. The pop-up electronic viewfinder provides a clear and bright viewing experience, which is particularly helpful in bright sunlight. Overall, the Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera is an outstanding choice for serious photographers and creators who want flagship-level performance in a truly compact design. The last one on our list is the Kodak PixPro FZ55BK. The Kodak PixPro FZ55BK is an affordable and beginner-friendly compact camera that focuses on simplicity and portability. It includes a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor, 5x optical zoom lens, and full HD video recording, offering essential features for everyday photography without complexity. This camera is lightweight and extremely easy to carry, making it perfect for students, casual users, or anyone looking for a backup camera. The 5x optical zoom provides enough reach for portraits and small group shots, while the digital image stabilization helps reduce blur in handheld situations. The intuitive interface and straightforward button layout make it easy for beginners to start shooting right away. Scene modes automatically adjust settings for landscapes, portraits, and night shots, helping users capture better images without technical knowledge. The full high-definition video capability ensures you can record clear and vibrant clips for social media or personal memories. Overall, it is a practical and budget-friendly choice for everyday snapshots and simple video recording. If this video helped you narrow down your options, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative and keep capturing amazing moments.